So hello guys, I'm in Brookhaven. I am playing like yeah. Playing. I need to go to blend my hair. Yes. Come on. Oh, that's the cool motorbike. I think let's try to steal it. Come on, yes. No, she steal it first. Why? Oh, you cannot steal it because I thought you cannot steal it because she locked that motorcycle. What the heck? Come on! Yes. Let's blonde the hair. Color blue. Color blue. No. Lower. Keep it low. Oh. Come on, I want blue. Yeah, just like that. I don't like green. Here we go. And we need to go to the house that I want. Make sure you have a neighbor. Okay, you have no neighbor, sorry. Sorry about that. Please, neighbor. Can you be my neighbor? Wow. Chill. Okay. Full house. I like this, but I like this more. I like this even more. Coolest house in the entire city. Okay, I'm gonna go. Stealing cars is not about. It's not good. This is slower than I thought. What? Like 1 p.m. This time like a second. Just like a second. Segundo. Second. I'm just like a pizza delivery man. What the heck? Wait. I need to go here. You can steal it. And what is this? An iPhone 12 store? Or an ice cream store? Oh! I should order. Can I? Oh. Saved him for later. Okay. I'm very lonely in this town. Oh my god. What should I do? Blend for your hair. I think I'm gonna steal the bank. No. I can't. Just a little bit. I'm gonna steal the bank. Stealing time. Seriously, I'm bad at beatboxing. I'm really bad at that. Come on, bank. Shoot. Really, I don't want to steal the bank. Okay, that dog is a bullshit. Shoot. Come on, where's my card? Come on. Ooh, a car. Money. Give me money. Just like an old money. Yeah. Come on. I like some dollars. Money. Get some money. Come on. Chill. Okay, honk again. This is really boring. What should I do? Whoa. This house is new. I don't know if this is a house. Let's check it out. Oh, I think this is the restaurant. Seriously. Hospital. Okay, I don't think it is. Okay. Thank you for watching. Watching.